Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick video on how to install fender flares. This is the original fender flares from Toyota. I basically took off the ones that were existing, the silver ones, and I painted them black. So here we go. Sorry about the wind. Usually it's not windy in Sacramento, but the wind picked up. So I took it over to a body shop and had to paint the front end of the truck, so at the same time I thought I'd paint the flares. And here's how they look. Just a matte black. And so if you have any clips left that are still on, you can use some pliers, like these ones here, or just like some regular pliers, and try to rip it off that way. Most likely not going to be usable anymore. Or just get like a flathead screwdriver and that should work. You're going to need two sets of clips, blue and orange ones. I went over to Toyota to find out exactly which ones they are, and I thought that I need more of the orange ones, but you actually need more of the blue ones. It's like a 22 count with the blue ones and 16 of the orange ones if you're doing it for all four flares, front and back. So it's pretty simple. You just see which ones are more wider and which ones are more narrow. The wider ones take the orange clips, and then the narrow ones take the blue clips. You just get it. Should make a click noise, just like that. And then you just go one by one, clipping them in. Alright, so I got all the clips on. Now we just need to go ahead and install it. And then you just align it. And you start pushing it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.